Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. The Benchmade Narrows Folding Knife is the slimmest full-sized knife that Benchmade has ever made. This knife measures just over a 1/4 inch thick. The drop point blade is made from M390 steel. The handle is made from titanium 6AI 4V. It includes a blue mini deep carry tip-up pocket clip and a lanyard hole. The blade length is almost 3.5 inches. The open length is 8 inches long, and when closed, it measures 4.5 inches. It weighs only 2.4 ounces. And for the price and the link, it's listed below in the details. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be alerted to new products, sales, and how-to videos. Make sure to like this video because that really helps us out a lot. And share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.